Namaskaram. Today I am going to discuss an important asana, at the same time very easy asana if you do it regularly. Okay. Initially it will be very tough for people, but gradually when the practice is regular, you will feel it easy. Okay. This is called as Vajrasana. Okay. Vajra, Thunderbolt. So you can see the power. Okay, let me start. Okay, how to practice it. This can be done by anyone. Okay, first is the people will experience the benefit of eradicating the back pain. Okay, once you sit in this asana, your back is getting straight automatically. You don't have to put efforts. Okay, and indigestion, people who needs to or feeling indigestion problem, okay, they can do it, this Vajrasana, for daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, either after taking food or whichever time they are comfortable. Okay, only in this asana there is no rule. Okay, so all the asanas you need to have some gap after food intake, but this asana you can do even after the food intake. Okay, right after that, or you can eat it in this asana also. Okay, Japanese people, okay, they do this posture and eat. Okay, that's why they are healthy and living long. You can see many people. Okay, this improves the digestion. Okay, digestion problem, keeps away the digestion problem. Okay, let me demonstrate. Just like this. Turning in the knees. Okay. See? Like this. See my toe. Okay. Right above the left toe in the crossed position. And I'm just making a little gap so that I can sit inside the okay, this is the pose. Okay, you have to sit inside the gap. Okay, you should not sit on the leg, it will pain. You have to little wide it and there will be gap and you just have to put in. Okay, then this is Vajrasana. You can just the foundation breathing technique, you can just practice in this posture like this, one above the navel you have, next is chest area, and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 10 times is fine. And one more posture, we have done the child posture. Okay, to improve the blood circulation, to improve the blood flow in this brain area, you can keep your hands like this and just okay for 1 minute. Let me do it this video. I'm in Vajrasana position, my hands okay, very simple posture. I hope everyone is clear with this posture. Any doubts, let me know. You have tremendous amount of benefit and this is a simple practice. Okay, and people who are not able to do Vajrasana, they can try it on the bed. Okay, or else keep the pillow in this area. Okay, have to keep the pillow in this area and just sit on the pillow. Okay, initially there will be pain. Even everyone will be getting while starting the practice. Okay, and gradually the pain will be away. Okay. Among all the asanas, this Vajrasana has amazing benefits. Okay. People do meditation in this asana. Okay. Like Sukhasana, like Padmasana. Okay. So Vajrasana, you can practice it. This is not complex thing. Whatever I am sharing, very simple practice. Vajrasana along with the Balasana, the child posture, like how the child, okay, it is in the womb. Okay, this is the practice. I have shared it to improve the blood circulation in the brain area and to improve the brain function, to improve the digestion, to keep away the back pain. So much of benefits which I cannot list it. Okay, only thing is you need to allot time for 5 minutes daily. After food is good, right after the food is good, or else free time 5 minutes, just allot it. Any doubts, let me clarify it. Please feel free to contact me. And this is Manoj Kannan, certified yoga trainer, signing off. Namaskaram.